Aerolink Express is a courier service company known for its fast delivery. Recently, the company has received numerous customer complaints regarding frequent delivery delays and damaged parcels, which has gone viral on social media and affected the company's reputation. The objective of this formal meeting is to analyze the root causes of the issues, assess their impact on the company, and develop effective solutions to restore customer trust. The following meeting involves key representatives from the operations, logistics, and customer service department.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending this formal problem-solving meeting. The purpose of today's meeting is to address customer complaints related to delivery delays and damaged parcel, which have recently gone viral on social media. Our main goal is to identify the root cause, assess the impact on the company, and agree on effective solution. Before we proceed, may I confirm that everyone has received the meeting agendas?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
we have.
We have.
Okay, excellent. Okay, before we start, Madam Tasha, please proceed with recording the minutes.
Okay, note, Mr. Azmi. I will record all key points, decision, action item discussed during this meeting.
Okay, note. Okay, to begin, I would like Mr. Faizullah to brief us on customer feedback and complaints.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Azmi. Over the past 4 weeks, we have seen a sharp increase in customer complaint across multiple platforms, particularly social media. The most common issue late deliveries and parcel arriving in damaged condition. Several customers have shared photo and negative review online, which has attracted public attention and damaged our service image.
Okay, thank you for that overview. Could you, Mr. Faizullah, could you elaborate on how customers are reacting to our current response?
Unfortunately, many customers feel that our response slow and lack transparency. Some customers mentioned that they were not informal about delay in advance, which increase their frustration.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next, Madam Atika, could you explain this situation from the logistics side?
Okay, from the logistics side. Okay, currently, from the logistic perspective, delivery delay are mainly due to manpower shortage. So especially during a peak period, such as a weekend and a sale campaign. In addition, some our delivery staff are relatively new and lack proper training in parcel handling, which contribute to damaged good. That's all.
Sorry, Mr. Azmi. If I may add, our delivery schedule are currently very tight. So driver are required to meet strict deadlines, which create pressure and sometimes result in careless handling of parcel. Furthermore, our tracking system is outdated and does not provide for real-time update.
Okay, good. That is concerning. Okay, do you think the current SOP are sufficient?
Okay, in my opinion, our SOP exists, but they are not constantly followed. Some staff are not fully aware of the correct procedure, especially during high volume period.
Okay, let us clearly identify the root cause. Based on our discussion so far, what do you think are the main contributing factors? Mr. Amirul?
Okay, Mr. Azmi, from an operation point of view, the key issue are insufficient manpower, outdated system, and unrealistic delivery timelines.
Okay.
Okay,
Anyone?
from customer service, I would say poor internal communication is a major issue. When operation experiencing delay, customer service is not informed quickly enough nor notify customer.
I agree. I will also add the training gap and lack of monitoring contribute to inconsistent service quality.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so to summarize, the main root cause are manpower shortage, training issues. Okay, next, system limitation, tight schedule, and communication gap. Does everyone agree?
Yes,
Yes,
agree.
we
Yes,
agree.
we agree.
Okay, now let us discuss how these issues affect the company.
Okay, Mr. Azmi, based on recent report, customer satisfaction rating have dropped. Then drop significantly lah. If this trend continues, it may result in a long-term loss of customer loyalty.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
In addition, negative online review made it harder for us to retain existing customer and attract new ones. Some customer have started that they are considering switching to competitors.
Okay.
Okay. For me, operationally, staff model is also affected. Driver feels stressed and overworked, which could increase staff turnover.
Okay, good. This impact clearly how that immediate action is necessary. Okay, next, let us move on to possible solution. I invite everyone to share their suggestion.
Okay. start from me lah. Firstly, I recommend a regular training program focusing on proper process handling and delivery standards. We should also reinforce SOP compliance through supervision and monitoring.
Okay, good.
Okay, Madam Atika, I support that suggestion. But for me, additionally, hiring temporary or contract staff during the peak season will reduce workload pressure. And furthermore, we should also invest in a real-time tracking system to monitor delays more effectively.
Okay, excellent.
Okay, and from the customer service perspective, I propose forming a dedicated social media response team to handle complaints properly. We shall also introduce a clear perfection policy, such as voucher or partial refund, to regain customer trust.
Okay, good. Okay, these are all practical suggestion. Okay, are there any concern regarding cost or implementation?
Okay, while system upgrades may involve initial costs, I believe the long-term benefit outweigh the expenses.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the constructive input. Based on our discussion, we propose the following action. Okay, first, improve staff training and SOP enforcement. Okay, second, recruit additional delivery staff during peak periods. Okay, third, upgrade the parcel tracking system. Fourth, strengthen communication between departments. And lastly, implement customer compensation and service recovery measure. Okay, does everyone agree with this action plan?
Yes, we agree.
Yes, we agree.
Yes, we agree.
Okay, excellent. Okay, next, Madam Tasha, please prepare a comprehensive report and proposal based on today's discussion for presentation to top management. Okay, thank you all for your active participation and valuable contribution. This meeting is adjourned.
Okay, note, Mr.
Okay, thank
Azmi.
you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
everyone.